Configuring custom ports in DreamMail. This demo assumes you've already opened DreamMail. Now click on the Tools menu. Click on Account Management. Select the account you want to edit, then click on Properties. Click on Server. Here we are. Let's change POP3 port from 110 to 995 for a secure connection. Let's change the SMTP port here. Click OK to continue. Congratulations! You have successfully configured custom ports. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to configure custom ports in DreamMail.